So guys, a lot of you requested for a video vlog of this beautiful luxury homestay in Dehradun. So let's start it. And there you go. Welcome to my vlog. And after a very long time I am making a vlog because of the property, and you also have to meet my new friend Milo. Milo is here. So I have come to this place called the Blue Door, Dehradun. So it's between Dehradun and Mussoorie, and it's a luxury boutique homestay, especially for groups and families looking to get rid of the hustle bustle of the city. So I'm gonna take you to. It starts from here, Blue Door. That's how it gets the name. And then here's one car parking. So this is where I have parked my car, and then we enter from here. So let's go. I'm gonna let's start the vlog. Milo, let's start the vlog. Yeah, chale, property tour. Come. So now I'm gonna show you. So this is the entrance. You enter from here. Okay, and so this homestay has 4 rooms. This is where the entry is from, and every room has a theme. So I'm going to show you one by one all the rooms because you need to check them out. Let's start from the first room, and the first room is the Ladybird. And when you book for 12 people, this is the first room that you get. So here's the bed, and here's the washroom, and here's your host, that's me, Himanshu. And the washroom is neat and clean, very pretty. And the best part about this room is that you can take these steps, right, and you can go up there. So you can sit, relax. It's very good for children, and I think 2 people can sleep there as well. So this was the first room, and this is where you can sit and sip on your tea. So this was the first room. Moving on to the next, you get the lobby also with these 4 rooms, where it comes with this view. So you can enjoy your breakfast, your tea, your coffee here, right? And let's move on to the next room, which is the Queen Bee room, the second room. And this room, what I love about this room is this. Look at this. This is a work of art, the piece of art. This backside of the bed is made from the wood, which they have taken from a local person. And this is the washroom. Again, this is your host, Himanshu. Again, very neat and clean. And this room comes with a little sitting. You can work here, you can eat here. Very good room for people who want to work, who are working from home, or who want to come here and do their work, right? And again, a small sitting. Moving on to this was the Queen Bee room. Moving on to the next room, the third room. Let's go. Again, you get a sitting here where you can sit, sip on your tea, coffee with a view. Back to the third room. This is the butterfly room, and look at this. And look at the ceiling. And then you get the washroom, and since it's called butterfly room, look at the curtains. It has all the butterflies. And again, very pretty washroom, very neat and clean, well maintained. So this was the third room you get when you book this place, which was the butterfly. Moving on to the next, the last room of this area is the dragonfly. So look at this. Again, very beautiful room. And here's the washroom. And this one also has, like, you can step up, you can keep your stuff there, or you can step up and you can go here. Yes, you can sit there, you can sleep there. And it also has this small sitting which comes with this view, right? So this was the 4th room, the dragonfly room. Our washroom is here. Here's the washroom. But we are not done yet, because When you book, you get all this place to yourself with these 4 rooms, and you also get this sitting which comes with a view, and you can sit here for your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, right? You have access to this place also, right? And yeah, look at this. So this space comes with 4 rooms, and you can access this. You can sit here with your friends and family, drink, dine, and or you can sit here and work. So this is the facility you get at the Blue Door, and look at the view. And this is the view you get. I'm going to show you the complete view. This is the view that you get. These were the 4 rooms that you get when you book this place, but we are not done yet. I'm going to show you the other side of it, which you can also access, which is upstairs. So let me take you, and that's also part of when you book it, that's also part of the place, and you can access it. Let me take you, and I will also make you meet our lovely host. And when you come here, you will meet Kavita ji. She is the host there, lovely person, and I mean, you can, without any thought or without any even thinking about anything, you can talk about anything to her, and you can make all your requests. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming.
So I'm going to show you the other part of it, which you can. So when someone books all the 4 rooms, they have access to upstairs as well.
And the whole property.
The whole
then goes
property.
To them.
So yes, so you heard it from the host herself. So I'm going to show you.
Rooms, the whole property.
Yeah, and you give the whole property.
Yeah.
But you also get access to this. So this is the other part of it. Look at this. This you can access. You can sit here, have your lunch, breakfast, dinner, right? And I'm going to show you the next part of it. This also comes when you book the whole property. So they are willing to offer the whole property. There are no single rooms. Please make sure that you book this place only when you're looking for the whole property, like you're going for a staycation with family or friends. And I'm going to show you the most beautiful part of it. Look at this part about this particular area is this painting right here and this painting. Just look at it. It shows that the power of the painting. And so this was the Blue Door. This is your host Himanshu, and you get access to this area as well. Okay, and let's end it here. And the last thing is the food here is amazing. I mean, I can 100% say that if you're coming, do try their food, do not miss it, and have it with this view. So that was a vlog after a very long time. Many people tell me that, Himanshu, why don't you start vlogging? So the reason is that my time doesn't allow me, because there's 2 other things I do, and I'm involved there as well. But yeah, slowly and gradually I'll come into this space and start showing you more such places and more such experiences. But this was your host Himanshu. You can follow me on Instagram at @myyellowplate, and you can if you want to see more from this property and other places, the food from this property and in general, you can follow me on Instagram at @myyellowplate. I'll see you in the next video.